Hello students, welcome to Don Bosco PU College online classes. We are trying our best to make teaching learning experience easy to our students. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update.
Hi dear students, welcome back to online classes video. So in the last class I have completed 44 questions in your model question paper 2. So today I would like to continue the same problems, the problem number 45. Clear? The problem number 45 is find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1, and hence find the area of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equals to 11. Clear? So this is the equation of ellipse. This is the standard equation of ellipse. Clear? The equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1, and the problem is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equals to 1. So before we solving the problem, first we have to write the diagram of this problem. Clear? So here the major axis is along x axis. That's why we have to draw first diagram. Clear? Ellipse. Consider a plane, the plane containing both x and y axis, and the major axis is along x axis, means in the x axis we take highest length, and y axis take minimum length. Clear? So this is called what? Equation of ellipse or the ellipse diagram. Clear? Call it as point a comma 0 because of the point is on x axis, and point b call it as 0 comma b with respect to the origin O. In this problem we have to find out first region, because of in this problem or in this diagram we have a 4 regions, but we have to find out to one region. After that multiply by 4, we will get area of a ellipse. Clear? Yes, this is your diagram. After that by taking the equation of ellipse, so from this equation we have to find out the value of y. So how to find out the value of y means y is equal to or x square plus plus y square by b square equals to 1. So x square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square, which is also implies y square is equal to b square into 1 minus or a square minus x square divided by a square. Is it right? By taking the LCM, 1 into a square minus x square b square, and b square goes to right hand side. So therefore then y is equal to, which is implies y is equal to square root of b square by a square into a square minus x square. So here b square and a square is there, and also root is there. Totally this equation can be written as b by a into root of a square minus x square. Clear student? This is the equation of y. Afterwards, with the ordinates, the coordinates are with the ordinates. Here x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Here we have to find out from the point 0 to a. That's why the limit will be taking as 0 to a. So next, afterwards, area of bounded by the region, area of the region or the shaded region, area of the region is equal to integral of 0 to a y into dx. Clear? This is the area bounded by the region from 0 to a y into dx is also equals, because of here there are 4 regions are there, that's why we have to directly multiply with 4 times of, is also equals to 4 into 0 to a, where y means b by a square root of a square minus x square, is also equals to 4 into square root, b by a is a constant, take it outside, 4b by a into integral of 0 to a root of a square minus x square into dx. Here also into dx. Is it right? See, what is the formula for integration of root of a square minus x square means? Here we have to take, we know that the root of integration of root of a square minus x square is equal to dx is equal to, what is the formula means? A by 2 or is x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. So this is the formula for root of a square minus x square. By using this formula directly we should write root of a square minus x square means is equals to 4b by a root of a square minus x square means x by 2 root of x square minus a square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a from the limit 0 to a. Clear? Afterwards, the next step is also equals to apply the upper limit and the lower limit. For b by a, here we have to apply the first upper limit in the place of x. Instead of x we should write a, and instead of x we should write lower limit 0. First you apply the upper limit, a by 2 root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of a by a. If you have to apply the lower limit means the lower limit apply madre the completely term is 0. Don't write the lower limit because of it is completely 0. Sine 0 is 0, and here a square means 0 agutte. 0 by 2 means 0. 0 into root means 0. That's why the second term is lower limit is completely 0. Next is also equals to 4b by a. Here observe a square minus a square means 0. The first term becomes 0 into a square by 2 and sine inverse of x a get cancelled, sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 means sine of pi by 2. The value of sine pi by 2 is 1. Is it right? So it is also equals to 4b by a into a square by 2 into inverse and sine both are cancelled, pi by 2. Clear? So here which is also equals to 4b by a into pi a square by 4. Which are the terms cancelling? Means 4 get cancelled, one of the a get cancelled, remaining the area is pi a b. This is the required area of the region bounded by the region x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So and also in this problem we have to take one more question is there, that is called x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. In this equation where x square is equal to 16 which is also equals to a is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 9 is also equals to b is equal to 3. Clear? We have to apply instead of a and b 4 and 3 in the final step. Here a is equals to where required area is equal to instead of a is equals to 4 and b is equal to 3. Is it right? So pi into 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Answer is 12 pi. This is called what? Your answer. Understood? Next try to understand and write down the solution. Next we go for another question number 46. Clear? Question number 46. Next question number 46. Find the general solution of the differential equation x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square into log x. This question is in the chapter differential equation. So x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square into log x. First we have to convert into standard equation. What is the standard equation of linear differential equation? Is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So we have to convert into this equation. So in this equation we have to dividing x throughout equation. If you have to dividing throughout equation means the first term becomes dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to x into log x. Clear? And observe the standard equation of linear differential equation and the converted equation, where in the place of p is equal to 2 by x, p equals to 2 by x and q equals to x into log x. Clear? Afterwards, first we have to find out integrating factor. Integrating factor is equals to e power integration of p into dx is also equals to e power integration of p means 2 by x into dx is also equals to integration of 2 constant, take it outside, integration of 1 by x is log x means log x square. Again applying the properties, 2 goes to x power 2. So exponential and logarithm get cancelled. The integrating factor is x square. Clear? This is called what? Integrating factor, IF. IF means integrating factor. After the integrating factor, next we have to consider the solution of differential equation. General solution of differential equation is IF means integrating factor into solution. This is the general solution of differential equation. IF is into y is equals to integration of integrating factor into q into dx. Next, substitute integrating factor means x square already is there, y means standard equation, write down as it is. Integrating of x square, integrating factor means x square, q means x into log x, x into log x into dx is also equals to integration of x square into x means x cube into log x into dx. So how to integrating x cube into log x means by applying the integration by parts. So what is the formula for integration by parts? Means integration of first function into second function into dx is equals to first function into integration of second function into dx minus integration of differentiation of first function divided by dx into integration of second function into whole dx. Clear? So this is the formula for integrating by parts. Okay, by using this formula we have to take which is the first function and which is the second function, means which function is reducible means that function will be taking as a second function. Clear? First function. Okay, so by applying the Euler rule we take the first function is log x. Clear? So is equals to write as it is the log x into difference integration of x cube means x to the power of 4 by 4 minus integration of differentiation of log x means 1 by x and integration of x cube means x to the power of 4 by 4 into dx. Here x and x cube get one of the x will be cancelled, is also equals to log x into x to the power of 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is the constant term into integration of x cube into dx. Clear? Because of x to the power of 4 only one x cancel adre we will get x cube is also equals to log x into x to the power of 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into x to the x cube means x to the power of 4 by 4 plus integration constant c, and the final solution is also equals to log x into x to the power of 4 by 4 minus x to the power of 4 by 4 is a 16 plus c. This is the required solution for this equation x square into y. This is called required general solution. Understood? Please make it a copy and write down in your notes. Clear? Yes. Next we go for one more question, 47. Please note down this problem. Next question number 47 is derive the equation of the plane in normal form both in vector and Cartesian form. So this is very important for your annual examination because of a number of times this question will be repeated. So that's why this derivation is very important. Clear? Yes. So before we going to the proof, so first we have to write the diagram of this problem. Clear? So I will write the diagram. Okay dear students, this is the diagram of normal form. So here where D is the distance between the line and a point of the origin, and where R is the position of vector with respect to the origin R, and N is the unit vector along the direction of the vector P vector. Clear? So before we solving the or derive the proof, first we have to write the consideration. Here the consideration is let P be any point on the plane. Is it right? Let P be any point on plane with with the position vector r vector from the origin on vector is perpendicular to unit vector n cap, where n cap is the unit vector along the normal along unit vector normal along the on vector, and d is the magnitude of on. Then on vector is equal to d into n cap. Clearly on vector is perpendicular to np vector. On vector is perpendicular to np vector. So if two vectors are perpendicular means the dot product is 0. That means on vector dot np vector is equal to 0. on vector into np vector can be written as op vector minus on vector is also equals to 0. on vector nothing but d into n cap dot op vector means r vector minus again on vector means d into n cap is equals to 0. Here d is not equal to 0. One of the d is not equal to 0. Afterwards n cap into r vector minus d into n cap is equal to 0. Next multiply by unit vector n cap into r vector minus d into n cap is equal to 0, where n cap and n cap unit vector nothing but is equals to 1. So n vector dot r vector minus d is equal to 0, or d is equal to distance n into r n cap into r vector. This is the required or equation number 1 is the required vector form of normal form is the vector form in normal form. Clear? Next we have to prove that a Cartesian form. So in this Cartesian form we have to take let r vector is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, and n vector unit vector is equal to li plus mj plus nk. So these two r and n cap substitute in equation number 1. We will get d is equals to, where n cap means li plus mj plus nk, into again position vector r vector nothing but xi plus yj plus zk, and multiply these two vectors. We will get a distance d is equal to l into x nothing but lx plus my plus nz. This is the required Cartesian form in normal form is the Cartesian equation of a plane in normal form. Understood, students? This derivation is very important for your examination. So number of times this question will asked in your annual question paper or supplementary question paper. Next we go for question number 48 in the part D. Clear? Question number 48. Two balls are drawn at random with replacement from a box containing 10 black and 8 red balls. Find the probability that first one both balls are red, second one first ball is black and second ball is red, and one of them is a black and the other is a red. So this problem already in your question bank. So what is the solution of this equation means? So first we have to consider, let R be the event that a red ball is drawn, like P of R is equal to how many red balls are there and how many black balls are there. There are 8 red and 10 blacks, totally 18 balls. Okay, write the solution here. Let R be the capital R be the event that red ball is drawn. So number of red balls, that is called P of R, is equal to 8 out of 18 balls. Clear? Next, let capital B be the event that black ball drawn. How many black balls are there? There are 10 black balls out of 18 balls. That can be written as 10 by 18. Clear? Here R and B are independent events. Is it right? Here capital R and B are independent. There is no common colors. Both are different colors. Then required probability for first one, RP stands for red and RP stands for required probability is equal to P of R comma R, because of both two balls are red. First we should consider like this, means P of R into P of R is equals to, P of R means 8 by 18 into 8 by 18. 8 by 18 means that can be written as 8 by 18 whole square. So 8 by 18 whole square means we have to dividing from the elements. So 2 4s are 2 9s are is equals to 4 by 9 whole square. 4 by 9 whole square means 4 4s are 16 by 9 9s are 81. So this is the required solution if we have to draw two balls are red. Next, another one is there, that is called, one of the ball is black and another one is red. There are two possibilities are there. The required probability is equals to P of B, one of the black and another one is red, is equals to 10 by 18 and 8 by 18 is equals to 2 5s are 2 9s are 2 4s are 2 9s are 5 4s are 20, 9 9s are 81. Clear? And the third one solution is, the third one is like this. One of them is a black and other is a red. One of them is a black and other is a red. Then how to write this solution means very simple. The required probability is equal to P of one of them is a black, is it right? That can be written as P and another one is a red, P of BR plus or maybe P of RB, is it right? So totally both are same, that's why we take P of 2 times of P of B into P of R. Clear? The solution is equals to 2 times of P of B means 10 by 18 and P of R means 8 by 18. 2 5s are 2 9s are 2 4s are 2 9s are. Totally we will get 2 into 5 into 4 divided by 9 9s are 81 is also equals to 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 4s are 40, 40 divided by 81. So this is the required solution for the question. Both the balls are red, we get 16 by 81. First is black, second is red, that is called 20 by 81. And one of them is a black and another one is a red, that will get 40 by 81. Clear? Up to here I have completed 48 question, is it right? In the next video I want to tell the one more part E section, that will consider as 10 marks question. Clear? Thank you so much.